runs. First boundary of the day. Lovely stroke. Let me tell you. That's pulled away. Pulled away and all the way. It seemed like he was waiting for the short pitch delivery. He's how stiff he is in his stance. Oh, that is good from Gurbaz. Pulled again. Nearly a very similar result, but he was onto this quickly.
And every kind of DRS today. That's nice.
A good shot. Yes, sorry, that's a great shot. Didn't get high. That is a good sweep shot. I think there was an element of, well, not playing the one. A little short, that's a good pull shot. Good.
Sweep has been a favourite stroke, and he picks up a boundary from Pakistan, but down the track, tremendous stroke. It's gone for 6.
That is a very strong intent shown.
So a huge shot by Ramla Gurbaz, dragged down by Usama, and that went a long way. With a massive stroke to a settled batsman. 1 or 2 wickets, we are in the game. That's outside edge, deliberately played by Ibrahim Zadran, and goes for a boundary. This outfield, value for stroke.
Oh, that's just lofted over mid-wicket and way for 4. That is some stroke by Zadran. The boundaries are so big, and this is a poor delivery, and gets the treatment. Gets the treatment. 10 off 2 deliveries.
Catch it!
Oh, he's placed this very, very well. Beware the injured man, they say. Oh yes, this is a good stroke. Too much work for third man to do.
That's a thick edge, but it's on its way down to the boundary very, very quickly. Up comes the 150 for Afghanistan. That's gone up in the air. It has gone wide of deep square leg. It has gone for 4. Well, he's gone for it this time. He's going to have to hurry through. The misfield makes it very, very easy indeed. What an innings this has been. They've come back from the brink. They've come back from... Oh, that's a good shot. That has gone. Just helped on its way. It's gone a real distance. Points look right. Oh, what's he done this time? He's managed to find the boundary, scooped it over the man at 45 degrees, but on the edge. Over there. Chipped over mid-wicket. Chipped over wide of long on.
That's gone past Babar. Big chase for the long on fencer. There's that slog sweep. Gets it past the man at deep. Shaheen Shah Afridi could only watch it sailing off for bowlers. That's gone. And chance at long off. Finally a wicket falls. But not before they've done it. Mohammad Nabi is in. He can strike them big. Square leg been pushed fine. Will be quick through the cut shot, and that's well placed. That really is a great shot. Shaheen Shah Afridi not risking a dive. And 300 is very much on the cards. Once again, head down. He runs hard, Gurbaz. He picks up 2. One
Lyric and out.
Well, there you go. Shaheen Shah Afridi eventually gets his first wicket of the day. But, well bowled, and he's given it. Now, was there an inside edge? There was a slight suspicion.
Given enough. And he was the one who gave the breakthrough. But there's a thing called commentator's curse. And while we were talking about him, how beautiful.
The arms. Shorter, quicker, and equally dispatched. If he hits, and he does, he is out by
the opportunity.
Well, 277 for 4. That one has gone over extra cover. It's the right-hander, not the left-hander, who has played. Well, he's hit that, and he's hit it into the gap, just a few yards short. Takes a bit of pace off. Nabi gets inside it again, and that is just simply taken. Didn't get it to extra cover.
Mohammad Nabi goes back after making...
just within the guidelines. Rizwan sort of tries his best to convince everyone that it's not quite a wide. There's the width. Now that's the width that allows a batsman to get on the front foot. This tonight, that's for sure. Well, that's a heave. That's an ungainly heave, but it's missed the man at short fine leg. Rolls away.
Pulled away from that fielder. Will pick up a boundary.
That's gone into the gap on the pads, and that's his favorite area. Fakhar Zaman.
Off the inside edge, lucky. A streaky boundary for Fakhar.
All that in slanting. Oh, yeah, as I was saying, that's the perfect ball to bowl. The in-swinging ball finally does it for Farooqi. Oh, what a way to start the innings. Flowing cover drive. Babar Azam has made that look.
Rashid Khan will give it up. A boundary.
That is such a good shot because it was an acute angle that was created.
Good toss and clipped away nicely. Gorgeous stroke from Babar Azam to finish the 11th.
That's not a good delivery. Dragged down and put away. Now that's cut away for 4. This is a good over here for Pakistan. Oh no, that'll be a whole heap of wides. A whole heap of them.
Oh, that's a thick edge. It's all along the ground. It's found the gap. Running away down towards the boundary at third for 4. That's a nice shot. That's a very, very sweet shot indeed. Someone had to do it. Imam has tried. Oh, that's why the slip was there. That is so beautifully bowled. And here's one of the cruelest ironies of this game.
That's in the air, a slow delivery and taken. This is a big wicket to have of Babar Azam, who was looking good.
Down the track. Hesitation, run out. Yes, Haji. They have started to celebrate already. Mix up, big wicket. Gets the ball behind square. Has he found the gap? Yes, he has.
This will release the pressure. And the Pakistani batters, they have decided.
Big man from Sri Lanka.
Straight driven. An authentic straight drive for 4.
Oh, this is out. This is out. Nabi has got a wicket.
Agree?
This could be caught. Yes, he's out. Caught on the boundary.
And gone. This is super stuff from Mujib and Afghanistan. Imamul Haq has been removed from the scene big time. This could be the chance now. When given the chance, if the heart can be lethal, it's a great start to the over. 4.
Help the cause. Shots like this will certainly make it easier. That's a boundary. Welcome boundary for Shadab Khan now.
Smack straight. Straight down the ground, and that will be 4. Desperately needed by Pakistan. Sounds good. And that is well taken. Mohammad Nabi had to make a lot of ground to come in from long on. That went high, but had no ticket.
At the end of the day, will play. And look at this. The pressure. It's wide. It's extra runs.
There go those levers. But he hasn't got hold of it. The catch is taken. It's Russ. Full toss. And it's in the gap. It's going to be through for 4. So that full toss by...
See your chance.
Oh, another full toss. Oh, that's terrible news for Afghanistan. 11 runs needed. Oh, Faruqi. Not the first time, certainly won't be the last. Now that's been hit well. That's been hit very, very firmly. Square leg, long off. Oh, it's gone through the gap, it slipped. Afghanistan are frustrated.